Myself, Astitwa Pandey, I am in 7th standard. I am very thankful to the organizer and the staff of this competition. Integrity is telling myself the truth and honesty is telling the truth to other people. Honesty is the best policy. If I lose mine honor, I lose myself. A very pleasant good morning to everyone present here. Today, I would like to present my views on honesty is the best policy. Knowledge, integrity is telling myself the truth and honesty is telling the truth to other people. Dear ladies and gentlemen, honesty, one word, but it carries immense power. We all have heard the age-old adage, honesty is the best policy. But have we truly reflected on its significance in today's fast world? I stand before you to remind us why its principle remains timeless and indispensable. Think for a moment, what would life if everyone chose to decide? Friendships would crumble, businesses would falter, and the government will lose their credibility. Dishonesty, though often tempting for short-term gain, brings long-term pain. Lies can provide fleeting success, but they eventually catch up with us. On the contrary, honesty may seem difficult, but they eventually catch up with us. Lies can provide fleeting success, but they eventually catch up with us. On the contrary, honesty may seem difficult, but it leaves always a lasting legacy. Being honest is not always easy. It requires courage, especially when the truth is hard to share. But integrity is about to doing the right thing, even when it's uncomfortable. It's about standing firm our values and knowing that everyone should speak with us. Consider to the world's greatest leader and influencers. Their success was not solely built on their intelligence or power. People follow those trusts that stems from the truthfulness or agriculture. People follow those trusts that stems from the agriculture and the truthfulness. Furthermore, honesty requires respect. When you are honest, people may not always agree with you, but they will respect your transparency. They will trust that you are sincere. This trust opens the door to the deeper connection of the lasting relationships. Moreover, honesty brings peace of mind. When we are truthful, people may not always agree with us, but they will respect our transparency. They will trust that we are sincere. This trust opens the door to the deeper connection of lasting relationships. Furthermore, when we are truthful, we are free from the hiding the burden of lies and pretending someone to be we are not. On the contrary, honesty may seem difficult, but let's be clear, honesty isn't about speaking the truth. It's about living with it. It's about being honest in our action, interaction and the promises. It's about being action, interaction and the promises. At last but not the least, I want to bind up my voice by saying this quote that honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy, but sometimes it's better to keep our mouth shut and let people think that you are fool. And then open the truth and prove them you are right. Thank you. Have a fantastic day ahead.